Let me show you how to replace the timer. Make a hook like this from a piece of coat hanger wire. Pull the knob out and turn it around like this. Use the wire hook to fish out the clip. Once you got it, pull it right out. Now you can pull out the knob. Before installing the knob, make sure that the clip is already on the knob like this. Put the knob on the timer shaft and push it in until it snaps in place. That was the way that you remove and install the knob. Now that you know how to remove the knob, go ahead and remove it. Use a small screwdriver like this to remove the dial. You will need a Torx T20 screwdriver or a tip on a cordless drill to remove the screws on top of the controls panel. After you remove the screws, open the controls panel. Disconnect the wire harness from the timer and then disconnect the ground wire from the timer motor. Remove the timer holding screw and then remove the timer. Set the new timer in place and screw in the holding screw. Connect the ground wire to the timer motor and connect the wire harness to the timer. Close the controls panel and screw in the holding screws. Install the timer dial. Make sure that it falls in place and then push it in. Make sure you put the clip on the knob before installing the knob. Put the knob on the timer shaft and push it in until it snaps in place. And that's it. That's the way that you replace the timer.